Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device, update iOS, then sign out of the previous App Store account so caches don't conflict. Once done, make sure you know the new Apple ID email and password and any two-factor code. Open the App Store and tap your profile icon at the top right. Choose Sign In and enter the new ID. This immediately links downloads to the new account, so you avoid mixed purchase ownership later. Do this now rather than after installing apps. Once signed in, configure billing and regional settings so purchases work smoothly. Go to Account Manage Payments to add or update a card, and confirm the billing address matches the new Apple ID. Next, review subscriptions and family sharing. Some subscriptions tie to the old account, so you may need to transfer or resubscribe. Make sure you accept any new terms of service and enable two-factor authentication if prompted. This prevents lockouts and explains why authorizations appear during downloads. You finish by downloading or updating apps so the App Store registers purchases under the new Apple ID. Sign into iCloud and related services if you want synced purchases and backups, then restart the device to refresh entitlements. If something goes wrong, like a purchase error, first sign out and back in, check the payment method and billing country, and reboot. If the problem persists, contact Apple support. That single troubleshooting step resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.